Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, June 17, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hi, David, I'm good. Just need this coffee? How about you?
Same here, I'm tired already. This coffee is my best friend today.
Huh, I get that. Busy day ahead?
Oh yeah, tons of calls to make. What about you?
I've got a big meeting later. Let's hope this coffee helps.
It better. Hey, did you see the news about the big trade talks?
Yeah, I did. The European Union is thinking about a 10% tariff deal with the US.
Wow, 10%. That could mess up my sales if prices go up.
True, it might change costs for a lot of companies. We'll need to watch this.
For sure. I just hope it doesn't hit my clients too hard.
Let's see what happens. It's still early days.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Hey, speaking of news, did you hear about the new tech stuff?
What tech news? I missed it?
There's this new AI thing companies are using. It's supposed to make work faster.
Oh, interesting. AI can help with project planning, maybe save us time.
Huh, I'd love that. Less time on boring tasks, more time for coffee breaks.
Huh, nice idea. But I think it's also about making better decisions.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't take my job. I'm not ready for a robot to do sales.
Don't worry. Robots can't charm clients like you. It's just a tool.
Good point. I'll keep smiling then. Hey, one more thing I saw?
What's that? Another news story?
Yeah, it's about culture. There's a huge music festival happening soon.
Oh, really? Where is it?
It's in Europe. A big event with bands from everywhere. Sounds fun.
Nice. I love music festivals. They bring people together.
Totally. I wish I could go, but I'm stuck with my sales reports.
Huh, same here. Projects don't wait for festivals.
No. Maybe next year we can plan a trip?
That would be great. A little break from the office.
For sure. Hey, speaking of breaks, this tariff thing is still on my mind.
Yeah, it's a big deal. If tariffs change, it could affect our budgets.
Exactly. I've got clients who import stuff, so prices might jump.
We might need to adjust some plans. I'll talk to my team about it.
Good idea. I'll check with my clients too, see what they think.
Smart move. It's better to be ready.
Yep. Now back to that AI tech. Do you think we'll use it here?
Maybe. It could help with tracking projects or schedules.
I hope so. I'm always late with my updates.
Huh, I've noticed. But yeah, AI might make things smoother.
Smoother is good. I'm all for less stress.
Me too. Let's see if the boss brings it up soon.
Fingers crossed again. Hey, about that festival, do you like music a lot?
Yeah, I do. It reminds me of good times with friends.
Same here. I used to go to concerts all the time.
Really, what kind of music do you like?
Oh, anything with a good beat. What about you?
I like slower songs, stuff I can relax to.
Nice, we're different. But hey, a festival has something for everyone.
True, it's just fun to be there with a crowd.
Totally. Man, now I really want to go.
Huh, me too. Let's dream about it during our next meeting.
Deal. Hey, I better get back to my desk now.
Yeah, me too. I've got some emails to send.
All right, catch you later then.
See you later, David. Have a good day.
You too, Alex. Let's survive this busy day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.